Weather Service in Huntsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Madison County and north central Alabama until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located over Harvest and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include northern Huntsville, Moores Mill, Meridianville, Hazel Green, Harvest, New Market, Plevna, Coney, and Fisk. A tornado watch remains in effect for the area. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time Monday evening for central Tennessee and northern Alabama. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Madison County, Alabama.